This is Darshana Gauchan with your B2B Cambodia Market update for November 20th, 2024. The Cambodia Securities Exchange Index was up 1.06 points or 0.26% to 403.59. Total trade volume was down with only 49,666 shares changing hands at a total value of 276.9 million real or approximately $68,500. On the main board, 3 stocks were up. Leading the market once again was Grand Twins International, up 4.31% or 220 real to 5,320 real per share, followed by CamGSM, which was up 0.41% or 10 real to 2,440 real per share. The Sihanoukville Autonomous Port was also up 0.18% or 20 real to 11,360 real per share. Only one stock was down for the day. The Phnom Penh Water Supply Authority was down 0.31% or 20 real to 6,280 real per share. The rest of the main board, including Phnom Penh Autonomous Port, Royal Group Phnom Penh SCZ, Pestec Cambodia, Akleda Bank, and MJQ Education, remained flat. Over on the growth board, both stocks were down. B2B Engineering was down 0.49% or 10 real to 2,040 real per share, while JS Land was down 0.29% or 10 real to 3,470 real per share. Akleda Bank once again recorded the highest trade volume of the day with 23,353 shares changing hands at a total value of 162.9 million real or around $40,300, making up roughly 41% of total shares traded on November 20th. Grand Twins International recorded the second highest trade volume of the day with 10,502 shares changing hands at a total value of 55 million real or over $13,620, accounting for around 18.6% of Wednesday's trade volume. In other market news, several companies have released their financial reports for the third quarter of 2024. Telco Tech reported a comprehensive income of 3.3 billion real or approximately $839,000 in Q3 of 2024, which is a whopping 1,953.01% increase compared to Q3 of 2023. As of September 30th, 2024, Telco Tech Limited has recorded 305.8 billion real or approximately $75.7 million in total assets, which is a 19.42% increase since December 31st of 2023. CamGSM shared that the company made a total comprehensive income of 4 billion real or approximately $990,000 in Q3 of 2024, which is a decrease of $6.67 million or 87% compared to the same period in 2023. As of September 30th, 2024, CamGSM had a total of 2.7 trillion real or approximately $674 million in total recorded assets, which is a 6% increase from the year end of 2023. Pestec Cambodia also reported total revenue of 9 billion real or $2.26 million for the transitional period ending on September 30th, 2024, which is a 5.2% increase from the first quarter of the financial year ending on June 30th of 2024. The company's total assets, however, decreased by 1.5% in the same period. Finally, B2B Engineering reported a total comprehensive loss of 6.3 billion real or roughly $1.58 million in Q3 of 2024, a significant decline from the comprehensive profit made in the same quarter of 2023, where the company made over 214 million real. Furthermore, B2B Engineering reported a decrease of 66.8 billion real or $16.72 million in Q3 of 2024. Moving on to the exchange rate, the Khmer Real to USD strengthened to 4,038 real per US dollar, while the US dollar index was slightly up to 106.54. Looking at global commodities, major stock markets in the Gulf were up in early trading on Wednesday as oil prices rose amid an escalation in the Ukraine war and signs of growing Chinese crude imports. Oil prices edged up 0.5%, with Brent trading at $73.63 US dollars a barrel. Gold prices eased from a one-week high as the dollar strengthened, though safe haven demand linked to Russia-Ukraine tensions helped cap further losses. Spot gold was down 0.4% at $2,622.22 US dollars per ounce after hitting its highest level since November 11th earlier in the session. US gold futures dropped 0.2% to $2,625.30 US dollars. Stock futures ticked higher early Wednesday, the dollar strengthened, and bond yields inched up. Bitcoin remained buoyant after notching new intraday and end-of-day record highs in the previous session. The main event ahead of the open is expected to be AI chipmaker NVIDIA's earnings, which is due after the close. As of the time of the Cambodian market's closing, Nasdaq futures rose 0.2% on top of a 1% jump overnight. Futures tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average ticked up by about 0.28%. S&P 500 futures advanced 0.22%. Over in Europe, Euro Stoxx 50 futures gained 0.4%, while FTSE futures were flat. This was Darshana Gauchan with your B2B Cambodia Market update for November 20th.